Okay, the healing, what happened was, after the seminar, my wife had a sinusitis. So yun, that's what I did. I started healing my wife. So sabi ko, sige, try natin. So when I was on my way to my meeting, mga around 9 a.m., she called me. Sabi niya, it's a miracle, I can breathe so well already.
Everyone?
Okay, so the one in business was the following day. Actually, the day the night I healed my wife, the following day, we went to a client. I accompanied an associate of mine kasi in my business, I handle several salespeople. So, sinamahan ko siya. So, that was the first time I met with the client. So, what happened was, mirror matching ko siya kagad. So, talagang halos ginagaya ko yung mga antics niya. Tapos pati yung mirroring and micro matching, I was doing it. So, napansin nung advisor ko o nung aking sales executive na close na kami. Sabi niya, paano nangyari yun? Sir, magkasama lang. Yung laki nakita eh. So, anyway. Kumbaga, charmed siya in a way. Tapos, hanggang sa at the end of the day, parang, may advisor, that was the first time he's able to close an insurance deal worth millions of premiums. So we ended up getting $500,000 worth of premiums on that day. Nagbayad na siya kahapon, nung April 9, after 1 week, nagbayad na siya.
Ako, bale, sa anak ulit namin. So, I different NLP techniques actually para talagang siguradong ma-achieve yung goal. Kasi the goal was to have a high grade. Actually, not just a high grade, but the highest mark, an uno or an A in the final grade for calculus class this summer. So, ang first technique na ginawa ko is yung goal setting, yung timeline. Okay, so yun yung una namin ginawa before the summer class start. And then, in addition to that, tinuro ko sa kanya yung circle of excellence. Tinuruan ko rin siyang mag-create ng sarili niyang power anchor. Okay? Power anchor, and then yung tinuro sa atin na curious and learning anchor. Tinuro ko yun sa kanya. So, ginawa namin, every day, just before siya umalis to school, ginagawa niya yung curious, learning, and power anchor. And so, the following day, yung results nilabas. Yung score niya is 36.5 over 40. So, naka 91.25% plus, diba? So, not bad. Maganda, diba? Great. Yan. So, after nun, masaya siya. He's ecstatic, ganyan. And he feels more confident na he can really do it.
Last May 8, I applied the technique of collapsing parang anchor on a negative belief because my mom had really been suffering from a lack of appetite, which I was very concerned about because at her age, she really needs to be able to eat 3 times a day, and it had really gotten very bad already that she will hardly eat. And since that time, wow, she not only eats ice cream, may merienda pa kami, 3 meals, 5 pounds na ata yung nag-gain. So, I could not be happier for my mom. Honestly, kasi she's my primary concern. I want to make sure she eats well. And she has an appetite. So far, so good. Talagang she eats 3 meals a day. Very, very happy.